ladies and gentlemen, welcome back with me Karin Parisa as your tour guide in Bali Adventure Tour and Travels. And how was your sleep last night? Yeah, I hope you get the best experience to enjoy in this hotel, right? So before we go to the next trip, please make sure all of belongings of you that you want to bring to that place. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's we go to the next trip. That is Kintamani. But before we go there, we have to enjoy our lunch, and I want to suggest you one of the local food in Bali. That is betutu. At Paksaner Warung is located in Arjuna Street in Ubud. Betutu is a side dish made from the whole chicken or duck and filled with the spices and roasted in the husk of fires. This betutu has been known in all districts in Bali. Betutu is type of traditional Balinese food whose raw materials. The word betutu comes from the word tunu, which means grilled and strung together with the word bi, which means meat. Based on the descriptions, betutu means grilled meat. Chicken betutu is type of side dish made from chicken meat that has been cleaned and then smeared with the Balinese spices known as basa genep. All over the body of the chicken meat and the part of the surface insert into the stomach cavity. The seasoned chicken meat in the developed directly burned out to produce delicious aroma. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you the legend of Lake Batur, located at Kintamani district, Bangli Regency, and also is the biggest lake in Bali Island. Well, a long time ago, there lived on the island of Bali a giant lake creature, namely Kebo Iwa. The people of Bali used to say that Kebo Iwa is everything, destroyers as well and creators. He was satisfied with the meal, but this meant for the Balinese people enough for food 1,000 men. Difficult lies arose when for the first time the barns were almost empty and the new harvest was still a long way off. This made by Kebo Iwa with great anger in his hungers. He destroyed all the house and even all the temples. It made the Balinese turn to the rage. So they come together to plan step to oppose this powerful giant by using the stupidity. They asked Kebo Iwa to build them everything deep well and rebuild all the houses and the temple he had destroyed. After they fed Kebo Iwa, he began to dig a deep hole. One day, we had eaten too much. He fell asleep in the hole, and then the oldest man in the village gave a sign, and the villagers began to throw the limestone they had collected before into the hole. The limestone made the water inside the hole boiling. Kebo Iwa is buried alive, and then the waters in the well rose higher and higher until at last overflowed and formed a Lake Batur. The amount of the earth dug from the well by the Kebo Iwa is known as Mount Batur. So that's all about the legend of the Lake Batur. And after we visit the Lake Batur few later, I suggest a place of interest to visit there, namely Toyabungka Hot Spring, and to enjoy the perfect serenity with a hot spring bath. Toyabungka Hot Spring is a unique natural hot spring in Bali, which is also said to have the same medical healing powers. The one things that makes this place even better the entering scenic beauty of the region. Breathe in the clean air as you enjoy the tranquility soaked in the hot spring that will detox your body and soothe your mind. And 3 swimming pools are present in the region with an area of about 15 meters right overlooking the mountain and the Lake Batur area. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize for this landslide because we are in the hills and actually it's rainy season now. That's make the bus cannot cross this route. And before it, nobody knows about these events. But no worries, guys. I want to take another way to get the next trip. and we will take another ways that's more safe than this, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm so sorry for the unexpected event tour today. Let's we continue our trip, guys.